I need a haircut and I need a shave, but I also need to get to work on this motor. So, looks like I'm fucked on that one. I was banging this way too hard.
That's what she said!
And, yeah, it's kind of mushrooming. If I try to put this on, yeah, that's not going on at all. I'm screwed. So if you're not stubborn like me, probably read the instructions and see to inspect the shaft for any burrs and to file those down and whatnot. And that this really, you really shouldn't have to be hammering this on. I also should have put anti-seize, but I was like, who cares? I'm not gonna need it. Read the instructions. Don't be like me. I gotta find some stuff to do on this thing. I'm just waiting around. What I do have, I have this guy, the intake runners. I'm gonna try to clean that off, make that look nice and pretty so I can put it on. Looks like I'm gonna kill more grass and use this guy again. Yeah, I think that's good enough for me. I got what I could off. I mean, I could probably brush it off later on, but it's on top of the motor, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so I was about to put the intake runner and the manifold on, but let me show you guys. So number one, eBay quality. I mean, not expecting much, but this casting is not the best. Yeah, all this stuff, nicks and dings everywhere. On top of that, the way that this is designed, there is a plate where you have the runner, a gasket, a plate, a gasket, and the plenum. And on top of that, this plate, although it looks decent on camera, is not in the best shape. Plus there is a step, a machining step right here. Frankly, I don't trust it one bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ditch this entire setup with the plate, but I'm gonna take the intake plenum and I'm gonna have it welded to the runners. Well, Mac is the one that actually told me about this, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get some quotes. I believe Street Faction is able to do this, and GS Works is actually able to do this. GS Works is the one that did my cage, so I'm gonna go around and get some quotes and see what I can do from there. But in the meantime, I have my AC compressor mounted, and I have my power steering pump mounted. This is an IS300 power steering pump, I believe. This is a non-turbo power steering pump. I believe those are better because they don't have like a check valve or something like that. I don't know. I was told to do it, so I'm gonna do it. But this is what I'm excited about. Good old air conditioning. So I have no idea how I'm gonna get the AC to work in this car, but I'm willing to take the challenge because AC in a drift car is gonna be pretty nice. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the spark plugs and I'm gonna gap them. Got my feeler gauge. Gonna be gapping these to 0.026. Let's begin. Alright, fuck up number 2. So, looks like for a single turbo up to 1.3 bar, I can leave these spark plugs, which is the BKR 7EIX. I should be leaving the gap alone. Apparently, right there. This is from Driftworks. So yeah, I fucked up on that again. Yeah, I don't know what the hell my deal is on this one, so I guess what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put these guys on. The fact that I touched that other spark plug, it's gonna bite me in the ass. The two that are suspect, these two right here, these two are suspect. Hey Siri, what is the torque spec of spark plugs on a 2JZ?
Okay, I found this on the web for what is the torque spec of spark plugs on a 2JZ.
2JZ. 13 foot-pounds. Nothing. That's done. Get over here! I also don't want to forget about these guys, so let's go ahead and tighten that up. So these are for old spark plugs. I mean, they don't look too bad. I'm gonna show a couple because they all look pretty much the same. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah, they don't look bad at all. Anyways, that's all. Alright, so looking at my stockpile of parts, let's see what I have left. So here I have a bunch of oil related stuff, oil return, stuff for the turbo, so that's not what I'm looking for. I don't know what the hell that is. Don't know what the hell that is. Trash. Sandwich adapter, I don't gotta worry about that right now. Serpentine belt, I'm gonna put that on once I put the alternator on, which I actually need to take all my pulleys off, and I need to get them sent to get anodized, re-anodized. Also, more trash. Bye bye. O2 bung. Inspection cover, which apparently I already have one on, so whatever. Actually, no. I'll put it on. Rear main seal, I need to put that on once I take the engine off of the engine stand. Then I could put this on and put the transmission on and stuff like that. Gasket that I don't need actually. Jesus Christ. Oh, drain plug. I need to put that on. Some more oil related stuff. Fittings, doodads. Oh shoot. These are for the water pump. Maybe I'll put it on, maybe I won't. I don't know. Throwout bearing. Or some sort of bearing. I don't know. But yeah. And then hoses. That is pretty much it. Well, I mean, it's getting there. It's getting there pretty soon. Pretty soon we're gonna be at a place where we could toss this in. I need to start getting the car ready. Get ready to toss this bad boy in the car. So, I'm gonna be looking forward to some prep work, get this motor, get the car ready to accept this motor. So, I'm gonna end the video off here. You guys already know what to do. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, subscribe.